Hello guys. Okay, now we are going to look at Unit 2, Lesson 2, which is called Advertisements. Okay, so in this lesson we're going to focus on how to interpret advertisements. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you my screen. Here we go. Okay, Lesson 2 is called Advertisements. Our goal for today is to interpret advertisements. Okay, so one of our first questions is what is an advertisement, or what are advertisements? I'm gonna write it over here. What are advertisements? Okay, the way that I focus on our advertisements, or what I would describe advertisements like, are messages that try to get you to buy a product or service. Okay, to me, an advertisement is something that it gives you a message, right? And it tries to get you to either buy something, buy a product, or buy a service. Okay, for example, like an advertisement for McDonald's, right? Where they tell you, you buy 5 Big Macs and you get the 6th one free. Okay, that is an advertisement that is trying to get you to buy something. Okay, it can also be something like for a service. For example, if there's a sign for snow removal, okay, especially in the wintertime, if you have a really big driveway, you might see an advertisement online or in the newspaper that tells you that they can clean up the snow from your driveway, right? Okay, that is an advertisement. So the next part to that question is, where can you find them? Where do you find advertisements? Okay, they can be on TV, they can be on magazines, they can be on things like Facebook, newspapers. There are some advertisements on radios. Okay, all of those are places where you can find advertisements. Now, if you have other ideas of what our advertisements are and where you can find them, please make sure to write them down. That way I can look at them when I check your homework on Monday. Okay, so let's get number 2. It says, what information can you find in advertisements? Okay, well, if it's trying to sell a product or a service, what information is on an advertisement? Okay, well, if it's trying to sell something, it's probably going to include a price, right? So price, a location of where you can buy it. Actually, before price, for sure it's going to include the item, right? So what is it? It will include the price. It will include the location. Okay, it can include what to use it for, right? Okay, all of those are examples of the information that you can find on an advertisement. Okay, so let's look at B. It says, read the advertisements. You have 4 advertisements. Number 1 is an advertisement to save on an oil change at Bob's Auto Service. Okay, now this is a service, right? Because it is something that is being done. It's not necessarily something that you can walk away with, okay? So the advertisement says, most cars now only $29.95, includes up to 5 quarts of oil, a new oil filter, and the labor. The offer expires August 5th, and then it says click here for an estimate. Okay, so this is obviously an online advertisement, right? Now let's get to it. It says, for the fun for the entire family with the new NRX system. What says, watch movies and live TV, listen to music, and play games with this all-in-one system. And then it says register now, for free installation. Click here. Okay, again, this is an online advertisement. Now, I know it says watch movies and live TV, but if I look at this advertisement, I don't necessarily know what it is. I don't know if it's a gaming system. I don't know if it's like a TV. I don't know if it's an attachment for the TV. I'm not sure. All right, let's look at 3. It says stereo factory outlet sale. Click here. Stereo speakers starting at $79.95 a pair, and headphones starting at $9.95 a pair. 30 to 70% off the original price. $5 discount with the code STEREO5. Okay, let's get number 4. It says bike sale at Wheel World. Save 25%. Regular priced bikes at $150. Now on sale for $112.50. All bikes come with a 1-year warranty. Click here to visit our site. All right. Save 25%. Regular priced bikes at $150, now on sale for $112.50. All bikes come with a 1-year warranty. Click here to visit our site. All right, so let's look at C. It says, read the ads and find words with these meanings. Okay, so number 1, discount. What is a discount? Okay, another word for discount would be something that is on sale. Okay, now let's look at number 2. What is a guarantee? Okay, for me, when I look at the word warranty, I think of a, if I look at the word guarantee, I think of the word warranty. Okay, it's almost like, you know, an extension to if something happens to this item, right, or this service. So you have 6 more total, right? I want you to go ahead and read the ads and find words with these meanings or that mean the same. All right. So let's look at 2. It says read the ads again. Okay, those additional 6 I will check on Monday. Okay, now if you look at page 42, it says read the ads again and choose the correct answers. So let's look at number 1. It says what does the oil change not include? Oil, oil filter, or windshield wiper fluid? Windshield wiper fluid. Okay, that is not something that is included in the ad. Ugh. All right, I will let you do numbers 2 through 10, and then I will check those on Monday. So you will use the advertisements on exercise B to answer those. Okay, now let's look at E. It says, which products do you like the best and why? Again, that one is for you to answer. Okay, and then I will read that on Monday when you bring it in to me. Okay, let's look at F. It says read the 2 ads and complete the table. Okay, this is something that I'm actually going to let you do on your own as well. Okay, you have Happy Helpers and Kate's Helpers. So you have to look at both of these ads and you have to write down the following information. Okay, the company is already there. You have to write the phone number, the product or the service, the price, the discounts, and other information. Okay, for G, it says, which cleaning service would you choose and why? Okay, H and I, you will not do. Okay, so you will not worry about those. I will check all of this when you give it to me on Monday. Okay, the homework that goes with this, okay, is page 31, 32. Okay, if you pay attention, it talks about 32, you will be talking about superlatives, okay, which we've already done. And 33. Okay, if you have any questions over the activity or the homework, please let me know. Otherwise, I will see you guys on Monday. Thanks.